My friends. Friends are very important in life. They make us happy and support us. I have a few close friends. Each one is special to me. Let me tell you about them. First, there's Tom. Tom is my best friend. We have known each other since kindergarten. He is funny and always makes me laugh. Tom loves to play soccer. We often play together in the park. He is very good at soccer. Sometimes he teaches me new tricks. I admire his skills. We also study together. Tom helps me with my homework. I feel lucky to have him as a friend. Next, I want to talk about Sarah. Sarah is kind and caring. She always listens when I have problems. I can tell her anything. We share our secrets. Sarah loves to read books. She often recommends books for me. I enjoy reading what she suggests. We also like to go to the library together. It is a fun place. We spend hours there looking for new books. Sometimes we have a picnic outside the library. We bring sandwiches and fruit. Those are happy moments. Then there is Mark. Mark is very adventurous. He loves to explore new places. One weekend, he invited me to go hiking. I was excited but nervous. I had never been hiking before. Mark showed me how to use a compass. We walked through the woods and saw many beautiful trees. The view from the top was amazing. I felt proud when we reached the top. Mark encouraged me the whole way. He is always ready for a new adventure. Another friend is Emily. Emily is creative and artistic. She loves to draw and paint. I admire her talent. She often shares her artwork with me. One day, she invited me to her house for an art day. We spent hours painting. I painted a sunset, and Emily painted a forest. It was a fun and relaxing day. After painting, we took a break and ate cookies. We talked about our dreams and goals. Emily wants to be an artist. I believe she will be successful. I also have a friend named David. David is a great musician. He plays the guitar. I enjoy listening to him play. He often performs at school events. His music brings joy to everyone. I remember the first time I saw him perform. He played a song that I love. I was amazed by his talent. David inspires me to try new things. He teaches me to play the guitar too. I practice with him every week. It is challenging, but I am learning a lot. Friends also help us during tough times. Last year, I faced a difficult situation. I was stressed about my exams. I felt overwhelmed and scared. My friends noticed I was upset. They came to my house to cheer me up. They brought snacks and played games with me. We laughed and had fun. It helped me forget my worries. They encouraged me to study, but also to take breaks. I was grateful for their support. Friendship is not always easy. Sometimes we have disagreements. Once Tom and I had a fight. We argued over a game. It made us both upset. After a few days, we talked about it. We realized it was not worth losing our friendship. We apologized to each other. It taught us the importance of communication. Friends can have different opinions, but we can work things out. Having friends is a blessing. They bring joy and support into our lives. We create memories together. We laugh, play, and learn. Friends are there during good and bad times. They help us grow and become better people. I cherish my friends and the time we spend together. In conclusion, my friends are an essential part of my life. Each friend brings something unique. Tom makes me laugh. Sarah listens to me. Mark takes me on adventures. Emily inspires my creativity. And David shares his music. I am thankful for all of them. Friendship is a treasure. I hope to keep these friendships for many years to come.